Hello, dear friends and followers who are nearby to the agricultural activities. My name is Baraka Batson. I'm from Tanzania. I'm here in front of you to introduce how to can cultivate the tomato. Yes, come here, check it. This farm can you see here is the best and quality tomatoes production. As you see, there is a high amount of flowers in the pests in the seeds. So we are controlling all about all diseases. So in this farm, we are approximate to harvest more tomatoes in bucket and more tons of tomatoes. Because of what? We here in front of you, we are always cultivating these tomatoes in a lot of years. So accordingly to perpetuating and to bring you the security on how we are producing this kind of tomatoes, we are supposed to see that as we are in front of you to provide a better education on how we can cultivate these tomatoes. First step, we analyze the best seed and quality. What can assure this? We are supposed to look the ingredient of the seed. Secondly, we are analyzing the diseases which are very, very, very accurate and very dangerous in mostly tomato farms. Thirdly, we are looking which kind of fertilizers we can use and can produce more tomatoes. So that is the secret to be pioneer on the production farming of tomatoes. So you dear farmers, you're supposed to come to my YouTube channel, subscribe, like, comment, and share, and follow us in TikTok and in Instagram. I can provide you more a lot of knowledge, no a lot of technology that can help you to produce more tomatoes and harvest more of tons. Can you see here? There are a lot of flowers because I will choose the best seed and because I'm analyzing best and pest management, I'm well controlled well. So you do it, dear farmers, dear followers on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Subscribe to us in front of you. We can provide you more education about the production of tomatoes. As we see, our farm is very well and controlled well. As we see, this farm is so very, very well and developed well. We are analyzing well. And if you want more education, consult us by email at ngeyekwa22@gmail.com. Thank you. Dear farmers, welcome again to see us on YouTube. Subscribe. Goodbye.